Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set iPhone ringtones. So first click on Play Store. The Play Store will appear and then search here iRingtones. IRING. So iRingtones is come, and then you have to select this type of this ringtones for iPhone 2016. I already installed it, so you have to install this application. Then you have to install it, then click on open. Then iRingtones is open. Then click on ringtones. There's so many ringtones as you see: beacon, consolation, marimba, remix, and this also open mystery, alerts also. You can set this as by clicking settings, and you have to select set notification sound, then done. Okay, then you have to select this set as ringtone. You can also share by this. There's one problem, very ads are comes. You can share also this on Facebook, Twitter, homepage, iPhone 7 ringtones. So thank you guys.